Hello everyone, Mr. Estrada here once again, and today we're going to be using our Promethean board to find the area of composite figures. So here is a composite figure, and a composite figure is made up of various shapes. So the first shape that we're going to find is this rectangular shape right here, and we are going to find the area of that shape by pointing it out. Let's see what that shape looks like. There it is. It is a rectangle. So let's put that rectangle right here on the side, and we are going to find the area of this rectangle first. So we find the area of that rectangle simply by multiplying the length times the width. So 4 times 7 gives us 28. So our area for this section right here, right now, is 28 centimeters squared. So there's the area for our first shape, 28 centimeters squared. So now let's find the area of this triangle right here. See if we can figure that one out. All right, so let's see if we can point out that triangle. So here's that shape right there. So let's go on ahead and put that one right here to the side. And we're going to try to find out what the area is of this triangle. All right, so I've separated the triangle here, but now I need to look at this shape right here before I can figure out the base of this triangle. I need to do a little bit more work and break this figure out in here a little bit more. That is a trapezoid, and a trapezoid is made up of a couple of figures as well. So what I see in this trapezoid is a rectangle and a triangle. Let's see if you guys can see it with me. Here it is. All right, there is the rectangle, and now you guys can see there's a triangle here as well. So let me put that rectangle here on the side, and that way we can find the area of this rectangle. We will find the area of this triangle, and if you guys will look at it carefully, you'll notice that this triangle and this triangle are congruent. So we only need to find one of them in order to find the other area. All right, so I figured out the area of this here rectangle. 7 times 8 gives us 56. So therefore the area of this rectangle right here is 56, which means then that this little space right here, from here to here, is 7. The question now is, how long are the bases for these two triangles? All right, so the length of this base right here has to be 6, because if we look at this line carefully, you'll notice that the entire length is 19, meaning from here to here it's 19. But this little section right here, we figured out it was 7, which means then that we have 12 centimeters left, meaning that each of these sides then has to be 6, because 6 plus 6 gives us 12, plus 7 gives us 19. Therefore, the base of these two triangles is 6, and the height is 8. So now we're going to figure out the area of the triangle. All right, so now we find the area of the triangle by multiplying base times height, 6 times 8, and dividing it by 2. So here's my work for that. 6 times 8 is 48. 48 divided by 2 gives me 24. Therefore, the triangle, the area of the triangle, is 24 centimeters square. And if this triangle is 24 centimeters square, that means that this triangle's 24 centimeters square. And all we're going to do now is add all these little areas together to get our final answer. All right, and here's my work for adding up all my work. And as you can see, my final area is 102 centimeters squared. Please don't forget the units, 132 centimeters squared.